Mac and cheese is undisputedly delicious. But if you're getting bored of standard boxed mac and cheese, there are lots of ways to jazz it up, especially starting with homemade mac and cheese, which is surprisingly easy to make. Once you've got that gooey mixture, whether you're doing it on the stovetop or baking it in the oven, there's lots of ways you can add yummy things to it to elevate it that much more. Rotisserie chicken, maybe tossed with some buffalo sauce for a buffalo mac and cheese. You can sneak some veggies in there. Just throw frozen veggie mix in with the pasta. Stir that into your mac and cheese and you've got veggie mac and cheese. Or you can try some crispy crumbled bacon and scallions for a delicious indulgent mix. For a crispy finish, you can top it with standard breadcrumbs, especially sauteed in a little bit of butter, or crumble up some potato chips for a really crispy topping, or the delicious French's crispy onions. There's lots of fun ways to elevate your mac and cheese, whether you're grabbing something from the pantry or stirring in fresh ingredients. Homemade mac and cheese is just that much better.